Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today I shall revise chapter 3, a square and a square root. A square. The square of a number. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. Such that the square of 2 is 2 into 2, 4. The square of 1 is 1 into 1 equal to 1. The square of 3 is 3 into 3, 9. The square of 4 equal to 4 into 4, 16. The square of 5 equal to 5 into 5, 25, and so on. Another thing is perfect square. A natural number is said to be perfect square or a square number if it is the square of any natural number, such that 1 is the square of 1, so 1 is the perfect square. 4 is the square of 2, so 4 is the example of perfect square. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on are the examples of perfect square. Students, next thing is properties of a square number or a perfect square number. First properties, a number which ends 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. A number which ends 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square. The square of odd number is odd. The square of even number is even. Such that the square of odd number is odd. The square of 3 a square, 9. 3 is odd number and 9 is also odd number. 5 a square, 25. 5 is odd number, 25 is also odd number. Also an odd number. Now the square of even number is even. Example, 2 a square, 4. 2 is a even number. 2 is an even number and 4 is also an even number. So a square of even number is even. The sum of n consecutive odd number equal to n square. 1 plus 3, 2 odd numbers, 2 a square, 4. A perfect square number. N square means a perfect square number. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 9. 3 numbers, so 3 a square. So the sum of n consecutive odd numbers equal to n square. Pythagorean triplet. The form of Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. 2m, comma, m square minus 1, comma, m square plus 1. Now, exercise 3b. I am going to revise exercise 3b. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. You can easily solve with the help of properties. So, start question number 6. Students, write a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 1, 6, and question number 3, 16. A smallest number is 2m. Second number is m square minus 1, and third number is m square plus 1. So question number 1 solving here. 2m equal to 6. That implies m equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. First number is 6 and second number is m square minus 1 equal to 3 square minus 1 equal to 9 minus 1, 8. M square plus 1 equal to 3 square plus 1. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Therefore, 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet answer. And next question is 3. 2m equal to 16. That implies m equal to 16 by 2, 8. m square minus 1, 8 square minus 1, 64 minus 1 equal to 63. m square plus 1, 8 square plus 1 equal to 64 plus 1 equal to 65. Therefore, 64 plus 1, 65. Therefore, Pythagorean triplet is 8, 63 and 65 answer. Right here, question number 1 and 4, question number 7. The square of this difference of two consecutive numbers is 38 square minus 37 square. Its result is sum of the number. So 38 square minus 37 square, also using formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, 38 plus 37 into a minus b, 38 minus 37 equal to 38 plus 37, 8 plus 7, 15 of 5, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 75, 25 into 1 equal to 75. 38 minus 37 is 1. So 75 answer of this question. Next question is 105 square minus 104 square. So a plus b, 105 plus 104 into 105 plus 104 into a minus b, 105 minus 104 equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 105 plus 104 equal to 209 into 1 equal to 209. Answer. Write it. Question number 8. Using formula whole square of a plus b equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. One question solved with the help of this formula is 310 square. So 310 square means 300 plus 10 square. It is a plus b का whole square. So a square 300 square plus 2ab, 2 into 300 into 10 plus b square. So 10 square. Now solve it. 3 3s are 9. 00 square 40 plus 2 3s are 6. 600 into 10 6000 plus 10 square 100. Now add them. 00 1 6 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 digits and 9 96,100 answer. Write it. Question number 9. Here using formula whole square of a minus b equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 196 square solve with the help of formula a minus b का whole square. 196 square. Write it. 200 minus 4 का whole square. A minus b का whole square. It is a square 200 square minus 2 into a 200 into b 400 plus b square 4 square. 200 square means 2 2 are 4, 40,000. Minus 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 और 4 4 the 16. 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16. 1,600 plus 4 square 16. Now subtract it. First of all subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 9. 9 minus 6 here. 0 minus 0, 0, and 9 minus 6, 3. Sorry, 0, 0, 10 minus 6, 4, and 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So 3 plus 16. Now add it. 6, 1, 4, 8, 3 answer. Write it. Students, here are two questions. Question number 10 and 11 are written on this board. Both have it. Evaluate. Question number 2 of 10. Evaluate 94 into 106. It is used here a plus b into a minus b equal to 94. 94 means 100 minus 6, and 106 means 100 plus 6. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b means a square 100 square minus b square 6 square. 100 square means 10,000 and 6 square means 36. So subtract it. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, 4. And 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And 9 and 9. Add it. 6 plus 4, 10 of 0. Carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9. Plus 1, 0. And 9 plus 1, okay, right. 78, right answer. 78 into 82. 78 means 80 minus 2. 82 means 80 plus 2. 80 plus 2. Now a minus b into a plus b. So a square. 80 square minus 2 square. 80 square, 8 8 is 64. Minus 2 square, 4. Subtract it. 10 minus 4, 6. 9. 3. 6. Answer. Students, homework. Revise exercise 3B. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 3B. Thank you. That's all.